darlings. My name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. Good morning, darlings. Steve Davies here, knob by the hob. So this morning, it is the morning, it's quite a bit early for me, we're going to do Bloody Mary crumpets. So that involves crumpets, dill, cottage cheese, smoked salmon, cooked prawns, Worcestershire sauce, lemon, paprika. I'm going to use the mushroom ketchup. You can use Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, tomato ketchup, eggs and butter. So first of all, with the smoked salmon, keep a couple of slices. If there's 4 of you, keep 4 sort of slices of salmon so you can put on top of the crumpets, and then the rest of the salmon chop up finely in a bowl. So I'm going to just set aside. There's going to be 3 of us this morning, so I'll just set aside. Let's see. 1, 2. Just set aside like 3 those slices there, and then the rest. Perhaps a little bit more. The rest then I'm going to chop up into a bowl. Chop up the salmon, the remaining salmon. Put that in the bowl. Then add the cottage cheese. A little bit of lemon juice, just a little squeeze of lemon juice. Chop up some dill. Dill goes, as a herb, is lovely with fish, but particularly with salmon. And then just mix that through. And I'd also add some pepper to taste. Mix that through as well. And then you set that to one side. In a bigger mixing bowl, Adam's mother bought me this. Crack 2 eggs. A little bit more dill. Some of the, I said either Worcestershire sauce, I'm going to use this mushroom ketchup. The tomato ketchup, again, kind of a good tablespoon. You know I don't measure anything. And then, it depends how spicy, because obviously Bloody Marys, that you can make it as spicy as you want. So I'm going to put a good dollop of Worcestershire sauce in. Sorry, a good dollop of horseradish, not Worcestershire sauce. And a little bit of black pepper, and then whisk that together. Now, normally, if I was doing this, I would have probably, this part of the recipe, I would have probably left in the fridge overnight to kind of let it all kind of marinate together. But I'm not, obviously, today. So whisk that up, there you go. So it looks like that. And then what you do is, on your hob, I would get a non-stick frying pan, heat that with a little bit of olive oil, and then you get your crumpets and you dunk them in this mixture. Really push them in so it kind of absorbs as much as possible. Turn them over, really get them to absorb as much as you can. So you know the crumpets have got the little air holes in them, so you want them kind of all filled up nicely. And then stick them in the pan, and I would do 2 minutes each side. Keep an eye on them because you don't want them to burn. So then next we're going to do the prawns. Just very quickly, again, I have another non-stick pan on a high heat with a couple of knobs of butter. The prawns, these are already cooked, these prawns. So all I'm really doing is warming them through in the butter. And this is not Adam's paprika, this is actually from Waitrose because we wanted a smoked paprika. And a little pinch of paprika. And just let them warm through. As they've cooked through, I'll just add a little squeeze of lemon juice in that. You're ready then to sort of create your masterpiece. So there's the crumpets. This is the cottage cheese and smoked salmon and dill. Generous topping of that. Then I'd spoon on the prawns. Then I'd probably get a couple of sprigs of dill, fold that around some smoked salmon, put that on the top. It's quite a nice way to present it, but also it actually tastes lovely as well. And the lemon at the side for taste. So there you go. These are my Bloody Mary crumpets. Great start to the morning. And if you like my recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And those of you that think that my dogs are spoilt, well, you're right, because May loves a little bit of smoked salmon. Not good?